Get your next load of laundry smelling fragrant and fresh with a simple scent boosting powder. I'm Maddie, and in today's AFI how-to, I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Grab a large mixing bowl full of sodium citrate. This will act as a softener and the scent booster, helping to remove calcium and magnesium and potentially hard water, leaving your laundry extra clean. Add in the baking soda, which helps absorb odor molecules and helps the fragrance we'll be adding in next to cling to the clothes, linens, and towels. Whisk the two together in the bowl. And finally, it's time to add in our fragrance. I love floral smells, and with summer almost in full swing, I'll be using our honeysuckle scent. It's got fresh citrus, floral, and musky notes, which is great for home care and laundry. I already have it pre-measured out in my bottle, keeping ever limits in mind, so all I have to do is just pour it over my dry ingredients, and I'm going to use a whisk to evenly incorporate it all. To finish off this how-to, we just need to package it up, and you can use jars or other small containers with a lid that will keep the scent in. I'm using this adorable little cup with a handle to make it easy to sprinkle into my washer. We recommend packaging the jar up with a little spoon so the customers can easily measure out the powder for each load. To use this laundry scent booster, toss it directly into the drum of your washer or in the fabric softener compartment. Use about 2 tablespoons for each full load of laundry. This 14-ounce container costs about $5 to fill, meaning it can be sold wholesale for about $6 to $8 and retail for $10 to $26, depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. Head on over to our channel where you can find tons of more home and personal care projects just like this one. Of course, I'm Maddie, and I hope you guys enjoyed following along with me in the lab today. Drop a comment down below with any questions you may have about this how-to, and don't forget to check out our socials to learn more about what we do here at AFI. If you want even more fragrant fun, head on over to Fragrance University to learn everything there is to know about soaps, candles, perfumes, and more. Well, thanks for watching. That's all I have for you guys today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video real soon. Bye!